Hello guys, this is the second part of the AI chatbot. In this video I will connect the JSON file from this object. So all the response are coming from this JSON file where all the questions and answers are available, or you can say chatbot is trained with the help of the JSON file. In future, if I will make another video related to this chatbot, then I will use database and the backend language as a Spring Boot. So mainly here I focused on that how ChatGPT will answers and make it in simple word. I make a replica of any chatbot. So here you check all the JS code which till now will cover, like message print by the users or the chatbot response and the functionality of sidebar. So here you can check all the response, and now I can pass the user input in chatbot. So according to this input, grab the specific questions, and according to these questions chatbot will respond any random answers. So in print bot message I simply check the condition. Like first one, convert any user inputs to lowercase and remove the extra spaces and check that this word I am. I want like some specific questions have respond as a like random answers by the chatbot. So for that case I use this condition, and here I use the async await, because in between, in meantime when the chatbot will respond, then it not anything are go in waiting condition. So for that I use async and await, and this is the main functionality where the response coming from the JSONs. So function get bot response here take as argument, and this function is a async. And first I take a variable const normalized input, and the whatever the input is come I convert it to lowercase and use this questions. And now I use the try catch block for exceptions handling. In any exceptions occur, then I can simply print as error, like error fetching chatbot data. And the second one is if anything error, then the disabled input are enabled and returned with this message to the user. This returns strings are displayed to the users, and in console.log console.error is useful for the developers. Developer can check the specific error, what the errors are come. And in try block I get the file or response from the data.jsons. So here I use await because my function is a async, and after that I convert it as a JSONs. So anything response is come is converted to a JSONs file, and check if the output is come. So in that case, and otherwise else simply return sorry. Means whatever the question asked by the users which are not present in data.jsons file. So in that case chatbot will respond this statement: sorry, I don't understand that yet, still I am in learning phase, can you ask something else? So in that way user can type another questions. So it's a normal chatbot. So whatever the question is present in data.json file, only that related to answers are displayed to the user. So next one, and I grab this response in a variable data normalized input. So these questions have the multiple answers, but the user but chatbot will respond only one answers to the user. So for that case I make a random method dot random. So in that way I make another random index according to the responses. Like one questions have 4 response, so first it create math dot random and multiply the response dot length, and after that I want floor. So after getting floor, it get any specific value or number, so this chatbot will respond any one answer to the user. Now in print bot message I want some changes. This function need to be placed above. Okay, and next one is like this div and the class is append above. This looks fine, and after that inside this function add next word I get the length. Okay, this looks good. Word index be also increase, and in else condition I want I make array, and inside array I take some strings like some keywords, hey, hi, hello, how are you. So these are the some keywords where I want response from the bots. So for that I make a condition and check if at index first it includes sorry, not include sorry, and if any values which is inside this in this array, here I take not means not included in this array, then that case I make another math dot random and multiply by 10. And here I use math dot floor again and simply print the word, and after that I want my disabled input as enabled one, and remove these things, and this auto scrolling is okay here, and I think this print word is also good. Now I make another string for some specific answer I want chatbot will respond with another sentence like hope this helps. So for that case I make this strings, and I want also this statement is print as word by word by the chatbot. So for that I take word index is equal to 0, which I already used in above functions, and after it split the words by the spaces, and again I make another div and add the class name same as it is, and after that I make a function add next word for hope. So this function is basically only for this sentence. So here you can add your own logic. If you get the scenario that how this code work, then you can play with your own mind. So yeah, inside this function I check the condition if word index is less than word dot length, only that case this statement will be print. So this you can say this is a base condition. So message div, in message div I will append the text or word one by one, and after each word I will concatenate spaces and increase the counter word index plus plus, and this word will be print after some time interval. So for that I will use set timeout, and this word will be print in after 0.1 second. So it will take a gap, and in else condition I simply enable input. And here is also auto scrolling, means whenever the word is printed by the chatbot, it it automatically auto scroll to the bottom. So for that I use this if condition, and after simply invoke this function, add next word for hope and print word. I think now this work fine. And here next word, add next word. Okay, here you check the I think all looks good for me. This function is invoked here. You can check this. Here you check all the code line by line. If anything error comes, then it will print or display in the console of the browser. So in this one, I think from now it's looking good. Okay, now it's time to check the functionality. So if I ask the questions from the chatbot, then it simply print the d but not words. Here is a error comes words, means anything, the variable words is not present. Okay, I record the response from the bot response. Here is a word index, but where is the words dot length? So here I take a variable words, and from bot response I split the word from the spaces. Now words are come as an array. Now if I check, here you get the response. So yeah, this is the like basic functionality of how a chatbot will respond if the user asks any questions. So here you can play the JSON file, whatever the questions you put here, and you can do some logic in JavaScript according to your functionality. You can play with this chatbot. So here you can see all the code related to this, a replica of chatbot. You can say it's a replica of chatbot. In future I will make another video where I use Spring Boot and database. In Spring Boot playlist I will cover more logics as compared to this JS. So we can say that we trained our chatbot as more accurately. Yeah, thank you. I think if you like this video, then you can share, subscribe and comment, and please refer to other friend also. So if anyone who looking for any portfolio related project, then they can simply make this project and include in his portfolio. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and please support my channel by sharing to others, or like, subscribe, comment and refer to others also, so I can make more and more videos for you and for your friends. Yeah, thank you.